How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C250 for sale. 150,000 miles. We just serviced it. Drives really good. Interior and exterior in really good shape. We have one like spider crack here on the, see on that rear bumper there. Looks like a little bit of body work was done on that gas cap. But besides that, exterior, really clean, good shape. Take a peek at the inside. Tan leather, has heated seats. Really nice car. 150,971 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Shoot us an email, theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. You can check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any repair needs, you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, definitely give us a holler. We'll get you squared away. Thank you for checking out our video.